Alright, this is how I load up my trunk mower. Got the seat down and the weed eater. That's how I do it. Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video, another talkie of not walkie, just the talkie. We're going to be, we're in here in a Toyota RAV4, as always. And we've got our hat on with the glasses on top. They put a glasses, like how to wear your glasses in a RAV, how to wear your sunglasses inside a Toyota RAV4. You can wear them on top of your hat. You can wear them. Sometimes I repeat words if I think I mumbled them. And then you can wear them like that. I had this high school teacher. Why you mumbling? And like someone took up for me. I really liked that kid. He was a really cool guy. I think his name was Todd, but he took up for me. He said, "Leave him alone." But anyway, I remember that because the teacher, I didn't like him at all. He was mean. What are you doing in this class? I chose secret agent as my major. The last year of middle school, going into high school, we had to choose a major. So I chose, and it was actually from a list of majors for high school that would determine what class you get in high school. And I chose secret agent because it was the coolest. It was the coolest option on the list. So I had law and chemistry and all kind of, the highest level classes that they can give you. Besides the honors or whatever. No, I didn't have any of those. But anyway, you can wear glasses like this, where you have one over one ear and one's just kind of tucked underneath your beard or your chin, your chinny chin. So this is how you wear glasses in a RAV4. Or you can also do this. You can push one side down, and then this part goes down your shirt like that. You can wear your glasses like that. I'm at the mall. It says food court. That's why I'm here. I always try to save money, but I end up, when I'm out and about, eating fast food. It's just so delicious. It's so good. Anyway, you can wear glasses like that. And there's probably a few other ways. Maybe you guys can comment in the description below and tell me what other ways to wear glasses. By the time I read that comment, which will probably be like years from now, I won't know what the heck you're talking about, because I won't know I'll see the title of the video, but I might title this video something else. It might be something completely different. But sometimes I don't even know what you're talking about. You can ask me the size of a bolt. I would have to look it up on Google, and I probably wouldn't even find it, or I'd have to watch the same video again. And if it didn't say what kind of bolt was in there, then I wouldn't know, because I done junked the car. Because the cars I worked on, not this car, but the old like Ford Contour, Mercury Mystique, or Mazda 626, I done junked the cars and got a couple hundred out of them for the metal. Last time someone paid me, the wrecker came and he paid me like $50 or $100 and to take it. Before that, I had to pay, or it was free or something like that. So I got a good deal. They paid me to get rid of it, and then they paid me a little extra or whatever. So it was pretty cool. But anyway, try to be nice. Really try. It's hard to be nice in this world. It really is. But I'm gonna go in here and get some eat and get some walking in, and just kind of, be my single self. I've been did 100 sit-ups. Just straight up sit. You hit the knees and legs are bent. You're on the ground. You pull yourself up just by your own weight, or your abs or whatever. So I did 100 sit-ups in a row. It only took a week straight up doing that to get to 100. So I'm in pretty good shape that wise. I'm trying to get abs. They're almost there, they're starting to show. But I'm really into doing that right now. It keeps me busy in my downtime, because I got a lot of downtime. I mean, I could work during my downtime, but that's really mentally exhausting. And you'll find that with people that make videos on YouTube. This is where we go. This is kind of where we go. I don't know if we can't fit into the modern stressful world or what, but I mean, I'm writing a book right now. Hopefully that'll tack on a few more dollars a month I'll be making. It's taking forever to write. Might take a few more months to write. I've been writing it for 2.5 weeks now. I got 50 pages, which is pretty cool. I never wrote that much before. But, all right. Alright, sometimes I shave my beard a little higher than usual. And whenever you first shave, it makes a lighter skin tone.